In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use colored highlights in Obsidian. Start by opening your Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard, where your notes and workspace are visible. From here, go to the note you already created for this walkthrough. The note is called Colored Highlights Demo. Click that note so it opens in the editor. Now we're going to create a basic highlight using Obsidian's built-in markdown style. Find the line that says, "Need to finalize the color palette and icon set before the client review." To highlight this text, place two equal signs before the sentence, and then place two equal signs after the sentence. This wraps the text in highlight markup, so the line appears highlighted inside the note. Next, move to the bottom left corner of the Obsidian window and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, look through the left sidebar and click Community Plugins. This section is where you can install extra tools that expand what Obsidian can do. Once you're inside Community Plugins, click Browse. A plugin browser window will open. In the search field, type Highlightr. Wait a moment for the results to appear, then click on Highlightr in the list. After that, click Install. When the installation finishes, click Enable so the plugin becomes active in your vault. Now return to your note. Find the text that says Backend API is ready for testing. Select that full line of text. Then right-click on the selected text. In the menu that appears, choose Highlight. This opens the color palette provided by the plugin. From that palette, click a green color to apply it to the selected text. Next, locate the sentence. Mobile wireframes need one more revision. Select the full sentence, right-click the selection, choose Highlight again, and this time pick an orange color from the palette. Then find the sentence. Budget approved for the new analytics dashboard. Select that line, right-click it, choose Highlight, and apply a blue color using the same menu. At this point, you've used the plugin to assign multiple highlight colors to different lines in the same note. Now we'll trigger the highlight menu from the keyboard instead of the right-click menu. Find the text, send updated mockups to Sarah by Friday, and select it. With that text selected, press Ctrl+P. This opens the command palette. In the command search field, type Highlightr, highlight. As that command appears in the list, click it or trigger it so the color menu opens from the keyboard workflow. After that, we're going back into Settings to create a custom highlight color. Click the gear icon again to open Settings. In the Community Plugins area, find Highlightr in the list of installed plugins and open its settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you reach the area for adding a new color. In the Name field, type Important. Say it naturally as you enter it. Important is the label for this new highlight option. Then choose a bold red color from the color selector. Once the name and color are set, click Save to add that custom highlight to the plugin. Now stay in Settings, but switch to the Hotkeys section. In the search bar for hotkeys, type Highlightr so the related actions are easier to find. Look for the Highlightr action you want to assign. Click the plus icon next to it to add a keyboard shortcut. When the shortcut field becomes active, press Ctrl+Shift+H. That key combination is now assigned to your custom highlighting action. Go back to your note again. Find the line that says Prepare Demo Environment for Stakeholder Presentation. Select that full text. Then press Ctrl+Shift+H. Because you just assigned that shortcut, Obsidian will apply your new important highlight quickly using the red color you created. Once that is done, you'll be able to see the colored highlight on your current account inside the note. You've now used the built-in highlight syntax, installed the Highlightr community plugin, applied several different colors, opened the highlight menu through the command palette, created a custom color called Important, and assigned a hotkey to apply it faster. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is basically it, and you've successfully used colored highlights in Obsidian. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!